technology brought advancement and convenience to human society. From darkness to light, people broke the limits of Mother Nature, enabling light to be available whenever, wherever, and however long we wanted. However, in creating light and overcoming darkness, we paid a price. We gambled with Mother Earth and bet with our lives. As we enjoyed the convenience and joy of having light, we created pollution. Because of our careless slip, we caused ourselves an eternal regret. Light bulbs are one of the daily necessities that generate the most liquid silver. The number of bulbs each family uses is limited, but in public spaces and buildings, the number of bulbs being thrown away each day is significant and cannot be ignored. Light bulbs contain mercury, and mercury, aka liquid silver, is a chemical that can seriously damage our brains and internal organs if it enters our bodies. Therefore, we need to be extremely careful how we dispose of light bulbs. Caring for the earth and the safety of our living environment, Zhongtai Resource Technology Corporation and China Electric Manufacturing Corporation are aggressively implementing efforts to recycle and reuse light bulbs. This is no doubt a meaningful, environmentally friendly effort. To put words into actions, Zhongtai Resource imported the world's most advanced mercury recycling processing technology from Sweden's MRT. This patented equipment has the world's highest mercury recycling rate, able to recycle and reuse more than 85% of all mercury derivatives brought in for processing. This process is divided into two phases to separate the different materials and extract the mercury. First, Zhongtai Resource will gather disposed bulbs and use the equipment to separate filament and glass bulb casings automatically. Then, these different parts will be further separated for more precise recycling and reuse, such as in glass, fluorescent powder, metal and non-metal parts, mercury, etc. To prevent further pollution, the equipment system operates under negative pressure. Any unwanted gas generated is sucked out via a spiral wind separator, bag filter dust collector, and activated carbon absorber. Clean air is released into the environment. Zhongtai Resource daily inspects gas discharge to ensure areas outside the factory have acceptable levels of mercury. Via strict control, pollution due to carelessness is impossible. The light bulbs, thermometers, and other mercury-containing items that we generate and dispose of every day create a large amount of mercury pollution. Daily accumulation will ultimately affect our land and us. Besides its professional services, Zhongtai Resource takes the initiative to educate the public on the importance of recycling used light bulbs. It also set up more light bulb recycling shops for the public to dispose of their used light bulbs more conveniently. All this is done with the hope of achieving a high recycling rate for disposed light bulbs. It also aims to develop a more environment-friendly light bulb. In 2006, Zhongtai Resource successfully developed the Zhongtai Recycled Environmentally Friendly Light Tube. It also partnered with its parent company, China Electric, to manufacture this light tube. In November 2006, Zhongtai Resource received the Executive Yuan's Renewed Light Tube Certification and the Grade 2 Environmental Protection Label. Zhongtai Resource has become Taiwan's first light bulb recycling, reuse, and manufacturing green business. We support our government's efforts in promoting recycling and renewing, aiming to achieve sustainable business operation. Together with China Electric, we have become a green light source manufacturer and have established a complete electrical product sales and recycling disposal ecosystem. Our goal is to realize zero pollution, zero waste disposal, and adequate resource reuse. Hopefully, we can help the Earth and give our country a better tomorrow. To change, we must start with ourselves. An excellent working environment will encourage our employees to be enthusiastic and productive. Our efforts are made to repay Mother Earth for everything she has given us, to make our civilization move forward and lay foundations for the future. We treasure every success and will continue to excel in our recycling and reuse efforts and uphold our vision for sustainable business operation. Only actual actions can take you and me towards the new century.